5 offline networking tips for artists. Artists need to network just as much as anyone in any other profession or discipline. Maximizing your contacts positions you to grow as an artist and enjoy greater success. Even if you spend much of your day working alone, there are many effective ways to make connections who can provide insights and advice to help you advance your artist career. Try these offline networking tips. Number 1, attend events. Events like gallery openings, art exhibitions, and so on can be an efficient way to meet a wide circle of art-related people. Check out community calendars or local gatherings, or organize your own exhibition. For those events that are further away, that require more expenses and travel, figure out which events may have the most impact on your artistic career. Number 2, volunteer your services. Joining planning committees or signing up to help at the registration desk is another way to receive discounts and meet more participants at big art events. You can also make connections by volunteering at local nonprofits. Number 3, speak up. Public speaking engagements can open doors and raise your visibility. Contact your university, your alma mater, community groups, and other organizations that might be interested in having you talk about your art or your artistic career so far. Number 4, dine out. Much of an artist's work is solitary, but you still have meal times and coffee breaks where you can hang out with others. Set up lunch dates and happy hours. Number 5, leave home. Shared workspaces encourage socializing. See if there are any communal art studios or makerspaces in your community that you would want to work at, and then sign up. Put at least one networking task on your to-do list each day that will help you to make meaningful connections and expand your professional circle. Cultivating strong relationships pays off by giving you opportunities to develop your artistic practice, find collaborators, and get noticed.